Hi friends, I hope you all are doing awesome. Your very own DC analysis is back with a bang. So today we are going to provide you complete prediction and analysis for Rajasthan Royal and KKR match. The Rajasthan Royals have been the most exciting teams to watch so far because of the sheer number of sixes they have hit as well as the aggressive manner in which they have approached IPL 2020. Two wins from two matches have put them right at the top of the league, standing at the early stage of the tournament. The next assignment comes against Kolkata Knight Riders. The Knight Riders won their previous match against SRH very convincingly, but still has come work to do to get back to its best. Can it use that winning momentum to find a way past the Rajasthan Royals? That we have to see in this match. This is also going to be the first match that Rajasthan Royals plays away from Sharjah, and that could make this interesting as well. Rajasthan Royal versus Kolkata Knight Riders IPL 2020 is going to be played at Dubai International Cricket Stadium on 30th of September 2020. Now coming up to team previews, Rajasthan Royals. The victory that the Royals pulled off against Kings 11 Punjab is going to remain in the memories of the people for a very long time. It was the highest ever chase in the history of IPL, and it took some truly extraordinary cricket to be able to pull it off. For the next match, however, the Rajasthan Royals are going to have to work with some different conditions. The ground in Dubai is much larger than at Sharjah, with a pitch that is slower, and so the average score have been much lesser too. The best thing about Rajasthan's success so far is the fact that it has come without any major contribution from the overseas players. Yes, Jofra Archer has smashed sixes and Steve Smith has scored runs consistently, but the bulk of the work has been done by Indian players. Sanju Samson and Rahul Tewatia are the standout players of the team, of course, but there are others that have contributed as well. We don't think Rajasthan Royals is going to change its team for the next match. Maybe changing out Tom Curran for a David Miller is one thing that they could do, but it looks unlikely. The current batting lineup is very top heavy. Josh Butler, Steve Smith, and Sanju Samson are the heavyweights up top with very little follow. Robin Uthappa could struggle in middle order. Riyan Parag has not batted much, and Rahul Tewatia is not someone you want to really depend on, his recent heroics notwithstanding. The bowling is also pretty weak, but they have been in toughest conditions so far. Now with larger boundaries and a slower pitch, the likes of Shreyas Gopal, Jaydev Unadkat and Tom Curran could be more effective. Jofra Archer does not really need the surface as he can generate his pace anywhere in the world. Rajasthan Royals is a good team with an explosive top order and perhaps the best young Indian batsman in its lineup. But the bowling attack adds lack depth in the team are obvious weakness. Coming up to the team preview, Kolkata Knight Riders. KKR did the smart thing and got rid of the two worst players in the previous match. The inclusion of Kamlesh Nagargoti and Varun Chakravarti immediately made the team better. However, it also meant that KKR was playing with 7 genuine bowling options. Another batsman in there would be excellent to balance out things, especially since Sunil Narayan has not hit his stride just yet. Rahul Tripathi is a good option, but whether KKR wants to change a winning combination remains to be seen. Taking the playing for the previous match as a base, we think KKR is short of some batting muscle. Shubham Gill showed in previous match just why he is rated so highly by the cricketing world and is his contest of sorts with Sanju Samson is going to be something to watch out for. With an in-form Owen Morgan, who seems motivated to perform well this season, and Andre Russell waiting in the wings, KKR has a potentially explosive lineup in the match. Nitish Rana also played very well in previous match, but the lack of runs from Sunil Narayan and Dinesh Karthik so far is a major concern. KKR bowled much better against SRH than it had in the opening match. Pat Cummins, Sunil Narayan, Shubham Mavi, Kuldeep Yadav and Andre Russell were all very good. Varun Chakravarti also picked up his first IPL wicket and was a bit of bonus for KKR in the middle. The manner in which Sanju Samson has attacked the spinners in IPL 2020 will make his contest against Narayan and company very interestingly ended. The Kolkata Knight Riders are not too far behind the Rajasthan Royals in our opinion, and that could make their contest against them very interesting indeed. Coming up to the toss prediction, both of the teams playing this match are going to want to field first if they get the chance. The DF has been a factor, but it will start to affect matches more and more as the pitches start to slow up. We think chasing is going to be the big advantage in this match. Pitch and its condition, Dubai has been serving up some slow pitches that are not beginning to take turn. Scores of around 180 are going to be very difficult to chase down at this venue. So far, sixes have been hit every 30 balls on average in Dubai compared to 6 every 7 balls on average in Sharjah. This change of style of play is going to test the Rajasthan Royals, no doubt. For Dream 11, we are going for wicketkeeper Sanju Samson, batsman Steve Smith, vice captain, Shubham Gill as our captain, Owen Morgan. For all-rounders, we are going for Sunil Narayan, Nitish Rana, Andre Russell. And for bowlers, we are going ahead for Varun Chakravarti, T. Karan, Shubham Mavi and Jofra Archer. Now coming up to the most important part of the match, the winner of this match. We are favoring Kolkata Knight Riders in this match because of their familiarity with condition and a slightly better bowling attack. Both teams have dangerous batsmen and any one of them could win the match on a given day. However, the likes of Pat Cummins, Sunil Narayan and Kuldeep Yadav could test the RR batting out significantly more than they have so far been tested in IPL 2020. So if you're planning to go ahead with Kolkata Knight Riders for this particular match. Now, thanks for watching this videos. Provide your feedback in the comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also, to stay connected for last moment update, click on the link provided in the description of our Telegram channel. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Take care and keep smiling.